iKC4-SIEMENS is a small industrial inclined bed, numerical control lathe. The machine tool lighting system provides sufficient working conditions. Full protective cover, electromagnetic safety door, safe and reliable. With 8-station tower tool changer, meeting different processing requirements. Slant bed, machine stability, strong rigidity, more accurate. Configure linear guide. Achieve high speed and high stiffness motion. With manual tailstock to assist in positioning and tightening. Guarantee the accuracy and quality of machining. One-touch manual lubrication system to protect rail. 3-draw 1-door base with Fuma wheel. Convenient equipment, displacement and tool placement. Adopt Siemens 808D advanced system. Configuration of Siemens servo shaft motors and drives. 808D system. Support the calculative rough finishing turning path of any profile. iKC4-SIEMENS with high torque, brushless spindle motor. Total input power is 2 kilowatts. Cutting non-ferrous metals and 45 steel. And variety of contour and thread processing. SIEG iKC4-SIEMENS is cost-effective, economical, and practical. Ideal for teaching, training, and light industrial use. It's a good choice for you.